All right, guys, so I'm Rob. We're here at Cookeville RV and Marine, and behind me is the brand new floor plan for Alpha Wolf. It's the 280 QBS. Let's check it out. So we're on the front cap of this 280, and one thing you're going to see is that they give you a window now in these Alpha Wolves. That's really cool. I like having lots of windows in my camper. You're going to get great views of the campsite you're sitting in with this guy. You've got a nice clean LED light underneath that window. Going to brighten up your campground at night, make your camper look really nice, and it's not an overpowering light either. I really like the lighting on these new campers. You get a power tongue jack, comes standard with Alpha Wolf, so you don't have to worry about cranking this guy. It does have a little LED light here to help you hook and unhook up at night. Dual propane tanks and a battery box behind that, ready to go for you guys and enjoy camping. Let's check out the camping side. All right, guys, so coming down the camping side of this 280 Alpha Wolf, you're going to see a huge pass-through walk-through. Now, on the front wall of this pass-through, you're going to see two light switches. One turns your lights on and off. In there, the one closest to you there, that's going to turn off your front cap light for you. And then, of course, you see your solar controller there. Already have solar on top, ready to charge these batteries with the sun. But one thing cool that they do is you can see this guy right here. This is a hamper, all right, and it's accessible from the bedroom. Throw your dirty clothes. Everybody wants to know, where do we put our dirty clothes? Well, they give you a hamper in the Alpha Wolf. I think that's really cool, and it's cool that you can take the bag off from your outside, take it straight to the laundromat, do your clothes, put it back on. Easy access, I like that. Coming down the camping side of the camper, you get a really nice awning, black on black awning with LED lights underneath it. A really nice lighting there again. I really like that you get an outdoor little kitchen area, which is really nice. You get your ice maker, get you a little refrigerator, all right, pull out tray if you want to use it as a prep table. Put your grill on there. You do have a quick connect underneath for a grill, so if you want to set a grill on top there, you got quick access that'll run off of your front propane tanks like that. I really like the setup. Of course, we have our cable TV hookup and our plug ups on this side for all of our fans, lights, and TVs that we want to put out here. And then, so if the front storage wasn't enough for you, all right, you get even more storage back here on the back as well. Pretty good length on that, so all of our chairs, our tables, maybe your tents and stuff can all go in here. I really like that they utilize this space back here for extra storage. Let's check out the off-door side. So we're on the off-door side of this 280, and one thing really cool about this huge pass-through, right, is that it comes all the way through with these big doors. We can put our tubs in and out without worrying about taking them out one side, because you get these big doors on both sides. You're also going to see your battery disconnect switches here. That's really a convenient location, in my opinion, to be able to turn that battery on and off. Kills that residual draw to and from the battery. Easy to access that right inside there. Of course, we do have a 50 amp camper, and you've got a 30-foot power cord there. Your crank tools for your front jack is there as well. That's what you're seeing. Get a really good slide, really deep slide in this, a really long slide for you, which is really cool. It is a cable driven slide. It's the new cable slide. Convenience hookup location back here for you. One thing really nice about all this is it's all in one area, right? I don't have to have my hoses and my power cords running all over the place. Your power hooks up here, your water hooks up here. You've got a convenient light to turn on and off. You have an outside shower, that tankless hot water heater. With this guy, everybody wants the tankless hot water heater. They give it to you on the Alpha Wolf. And one thing cool about this big camper, all right, is that you have one black and one gray tank with one hookup. That's really nice. Everybody wants one hookup for the convenience. On this 280, you get the convenience of one hookup with one black, one gray tank. Really nice features on this Alpha Wolf. Now let's check out the rest, guys. Before we go inside of this 280, I wanted to show you, you are prepped for the Furrion backup camera. If you ever want to add that, it's an easy plug and play kind of prep work there. You are prepped for the Lippert on the go ladder. So you're not going to see ladders on these new Alpha Wolves. They're prepping you for the telescoping on the go ladder. Real convenient hook location there for you. Pull it all the way down to the ground, climb up. Those are really nice ladders. If you haven't checked them out, you need to do so. You've got a hitch under here, a 300-pound hitch. So whether you're carrying bicycles or luggage or whatever, you got 300 pounds of weight you can carry back here. That's quite a bit. But let's go inside, check out what everybody wants to see, guys. So we're coming into the camper here, and right inside the door on the left side coming in, you're going to see all of your controls, really conveniently located here for you. We have a true light switch with a dimmer. I think that's really neat that you get a dimmer on your light switch now. That's something Alpha Wolf's doing on all their new units. You have inside LEDs, which are LEDs around the countertops. I think those are really sweet looking. Outside LEDs, all that, your slide awning controls, all that's done right here. You have a hot water heater controller because you have that tankless hot water heater, so we're able to set our temperature 95 to 124 degrees on this guy, so it's really nice. That on demand, so you turn hot water on, boom, she's going to start running for you. I really like that feature. You do get an AV plug for your monitor, so if you want to put the backup camera on, or you have a prep work for a camera over your outside door here, you can plug your monitor up right here and you can watch outside of your camper with that monitor, kind of use it as a surveillance system. That's the main reason Alpha was putting these in for you, is so that you can plug stuff up like your monitor for your cameras while you're inside, which I think is pretty neat, you know. Push button light underneath, really cool. Big counter space coming in. Unload your groceries right, push them in here, load them all up. I really like this area here. So, you know, coming in to the camper, you get two doors with your bedroom. The Jack and Jill door system, which makes accessing the bedroom a whole lot easier, you know. Being able to go down this side of the bed or that side of the bed is a really nice feature. We'll show you the bedroom here in just a second. TV up here, really nice TV, smart TV for you. Something Alpha Wolf started doing is they started putting their TVs back, which is really nice. You get the new GE Profile air conditioner unit in these campers. Really nice air conditioning unit. Thermostat's here. This thermostat's going to run your furnace and your air for you. You also can see that you have an electric fireplace, which is really nice. Able to use that electric heat to keep the camper warm. Don't have to worry about using the propane all the time. Helps that propane bill out a lot too, to have electric heat. Plus it looks good, right? Below this, you're going to see a vacuum system. So all these new Alpha Wolves coming with the vacuum system. You do have the sweeper, so we can take our foot, lift that sweeper, sweep all the dirt right into it. We ain't got to worry about someone holding that dustpan for us anymore, right? We have a place to sweep it, puts it right into your bag here. You can change your bag out. You can get the hose kits for these two. Put the hose kit in, go all the way forward and back with your vacuum hoses and suck up all the dirt, right? Makes life a little bit convenient in these guys. Let's check out the bedroom though. So in the bedroom, you can see really nice, and remember Jack and Jill doors, so coming down either side of the bed is pretty easy. You're going to see lots of storage around the bed, all right, which is really nice. You get hanging wardrobes on both sides, hinged overhead cabinets. You get pull drawers underneath the hanging wardrobes. Push button light. Look at that beautiful window, right? So you're going to be able to look out your campsite wherever you're in the morning, and see that nice campsite. Hopefully you're beside an ocean or a nice lake or something. I think that'll look really good. You do have the accordion style blind in there, so we can pull that down, black it all out. If you don't want to see that sunlight, want to sleep in a little bit, you can do that as well. Underneath the bed, of course, we have lots of storage. So big box storage for you on struts, will hold itself up for you. So put all your, out of sight, out of mind stuff we want to take with us, put it in here. Now, one thing really cool over here, remember I showed you that hamper outside. Well, this is where we load it. So throw all your dirty clothes in there, shut it up, pull the bag off from the outside, go straight to the laundromat with it. Really nice place. You know, everybody wants to know, where do I throw my dirty clothes? Alpha Wolf knows where you're going to put them. So one thing that everyone's been kind of doing is upgrading the sinks in these in these campers, and Alpha Wolf's no stranger to upgrading the sink as well. So you get the cutting board, which is really nice. You get a drainer, all right. You get a strainer. You get a suds sink to put your soap suds in, and then underneath all of this is just a big farmhouse style sink. So you get that, you get the sprayer built in with the gooseneck faucet. I really like that faucet. I think the little brass makes it look really classy in here. Really nice sink setup. And then, like I said, big counter space coming around to your 3-burner stovetop. Furrion makes a good stovetop for you. You can see you got those blue lights in. When you turn them on, they're going to go red and stay red for you. They're going to show you that the gas is on, right? So a little safety feature built in. Got a pretty good size oven underneath that as well. Glass top cover, so when you're not using it, keep all the trash out of there. Kind of maximize your surface area as well. You're going to have a electric microwave above that. Electric only on this, good size microwave. Light on and off and fan in this guy. This is 12 volt for you, so we'll operate when you're off gridding. Speaking of off gridding, you've got a 12 volt refrigerator in this guy. A really nice refrigerator, guys. 10 cubic foot on this Furrion refrigerator. You got that solar already on this. It's going to pair nicely with the battery to run this down the road for you. So wherever you're traveling, fridge is running, no problem. All right, guys, so right across from the kitchen is your U-shaped dinette. Now there's plenty of space for all your kids and their friends to sit around this guy. This does go down. It makes another bed. So if we've got extra friends coming, right, we can put them on this dinette and get them a place to sleep as well. You're going to see blackout shades on all of your windows coming around. Easy pull down blackouts, easy up shades. Give them a tug, they're going to easy up for you. I really like those shades in this guy. We do have a couch that is a jackknife sofa. So there again, if you need even more space to throw a kid on or whatever, we can lay this down. Gives you more space to give someone else a little extra sleeping space if you need it, you know. I really like this feature, and you've got a little bit of storage underneath as well. So if you wanted to just throw something underneath there, you kind of got a little space to throw that underneath there as well. Let's check out the back, guys. So we're coming into the back bunk room, all right, but before we do, I'm going to show you, get a really nice cabinet storage in here. Really big storage, so whether you put your towels and stuff, since it's right kind of close to the bathroom, I think that's a really nice place to utilize that kind of stuff. Coming into this massive bunk room, right, you're going to see a really nice bunk over bunk back here with a kind of a dinette that also goes down and makes a bunk. So really we have 3 bunks back here, and then one on top in case that wasn't enough for you. We can put this down, all right, and we can have another bunk. So we've got 4 bunks in this bunk room back here. You got 4 kids, you got 4 beds. This is a really nice area back here for them to hang out, keep all their stuff located back here. You got plug-ins, USBs on all of the bed locations there for you with push-button lighting and their own air conditioner. We ain't gonna let them get hot. They're gonna keep their own air back here going. So really nice space for all the kids back here in this bunk room. Might be one of my favorites, to be honest with you. So coming back down the hallway is your bathroom. Now, one thing really nice about this bathroom is, you know, it's kind of laid out where you can, if you had a small kid that you need to give a bath, you kind of have a smaller tub in here that we can kind of give baths. That's a big thing with families with, you know, smaller children, is to be able to have a little tub for them to wash in if you need it. But it makes a pretty good sized shower as well. So, you know, even your taller folks can take showers in that. Get a little medicine cabinet, nice little vanity with plenty of storage around it, and a foot flush toilet that is porcelain based in this guy as well. And You know, even in this bathroom, you do get a max air fan too, which is really nice for you. But all around, good bathroom. I think you're going to enjoy this floor plan, guys. All right, guys, so if you're interested in this Alpha Wolf 280 QBS or any camper for that matter, give us a call, shoot us a text, visit us online at cookeville.rv.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe.